Is your Mercedes-Benz showing the P2098 engine code on your skin tool? In this video, I'll explain what the P2098 code means, the common symptoms, possible causes, and how you can fix it step by step. The P2098 code means post-catalyst fuel trim system to lean, bank to .comma in simple terms. The engine control module has detected that the air fuel mixture after the catalytic converter on bank 2 is too lean, meaning there is too much air and not enough fuel. This problem is often related to the oxygen sensor, exhaust leaks, or fuel delivery system. If your Mercedes has the P2098 engine code, you may notice these symptoms: check engine light illuminated, reduced engine performance, poor fuel economy, rough idle or hesitation, possible engine misfire. Sometimes the vehicle may still drive normally, but the problem can get worse if ignored. Common causes include 1. Faulty oxygen sensor on bank 22, exhaust leak near the catalytic converter. 3. Dirty or failing mass airflow sensor for vacuum leaks in the intake system. 5. Fuel injector problems. 6. Low fuel pressure or weak fuel pump. It indicates the powertrain control module proceeds a lean fuel-to-air mixture downstream of the catalytic converter. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P2098 error code. Method A: exhaust leaks. The exhaust system begins at the engine combustion chambers and runs along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with the visible tailpipe. If you have a small leak around the corner, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, don't start the engine because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours, depending on the external temperature. The hotter it is, the quicker it will cure. That means you can use something like a hairdryer to heat it up and make it cure faster. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on it. Like this one, the seam will often rot a large leak. First, you get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put it in the water for about 30 to 40 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple of inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Then squeeze it to make the resin go all through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. Method B: the oxygen sensors. The oxygen sensors are located before and after the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, replace the oxygen sensors. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P2098 error code. That's how you diagnose and fix the Mercedes-Benz P2098 engine code. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more automotive diagnostic and repair videos. Thanks for watching.